Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how does the Robinhood debit card work. Now, as you can see on Robinhood, you actually have a Robinhood cash card, right? And this is basically how it works, right? As you can see, you can use Robinhood cash card virtually anywhere that MasterCard is accepted around the world. You can make purchases at stores or online, reserve a hotel or open a tab, a restaurant, get cash, and more. Now, as you can see, what's available cash? Available cash is any cash that you have in your spending account that can withdraw or spend. So you can spend or withdraw that cash via Robinhood debit card, right? You can find the amount of cash available you have at the top of the spending tab, right? Now, how do I get cash with my Robinhood cash card? Now, you can use Robinhood cash card to get cash at any in-network ATM or by asking for cash back after typing in your PIN at participating stores, right? Now you can search in-app to find the closest in-network ATM. Now, can you make deposits with Robinhood cash card? We do not currently support cash or check deposits, as you can see, so you can actually do that. Also, can I use my Robinhood cash card abroad? You can use your Robinhood cash card virtually anywhere in the world that MasterCard is accepted. MasterCard will automatically convert your currencies. Now, although this cash card is great, I think it's still a great option if you want to use your Robinhood funds to basically spend them abroad, right? Now, as you can see, what happens when I use my Robinhood cash card? When you use your Robinhood cash card, it will hold money from your account to cover the costs of your purchase. You'll see a pending item in the recent history section of your spending tab, and your transactions will show up as pending until the purchase amount is final and the money is actually moved out of your account, right? In most cases, the original amount of transaction won't change. That being said, the original amount charged could be larger than the final amount. Obviously, you can read all of this in detail. I'm just kind of going through it and telling you how does the Robinhood debit card work. So as you can see, you can obviously change up the PIN. You can set up card through your mobile wallet and a lot of different stuff. But overall, the debit card is really like any debit card out there that you can use and spend your money, through Robinhood app, right? So that's pretty much it, right? This is how it works and how the Robinhood debit card works. Now, if you have any questions or maybe comments, definitely comment down below and I will answer some of your questions. But other than that, thank you guys for watching and we'll see you in the next video.